Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for January for Geminis. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Gemini, this reading is for you. If you know a Gemini, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like, share, subscribe. Join us on Instagram, friends. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And please, if you want to buy your personal readings, visit our website, friends, please. And for other readings, the links are in the timestamp. So Gemini's January, let's see. Are you excited? I am. Geminis, let's see the theme of the month for Geminis for January 2022. Ooh, let me just pick that card. All right. The King of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Seven of Wands. So this is a very, very powerful month for you, friends. You are definitely, this is a month where you should not give up on your dreams. You are very, very close to achieving your dreams. So if you are thinking of quitting something, do not quit. Do not give up. This is your year. This is your month when anything your efforts are going to win you success. Your efforts are definitely going to help you. The Hierophant, yes, I do feel some of you are going to get promoted. This is a month of promotions, of you getting into leadership roles, leadership positions. Some of you could also be dealing like buying a home, buying a property. Some of you are dealing with inheritances, religion, culture, tradition. Big issues are on your mind. I also feel some of you could be dealing with like family. Family is very important for you this month. King of Cups, yes, I do feel this is an emotional month for you. A lot of love and satisfaction is coming for you, Geminis. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. I also feel like this is the month where family, tradition, cultures are important, and it is like what you want and versus what others want, what family wants. And Eight of Pentacles, yes, some of you are definitely working very hard on your life, on your goals, and you are going to achieve success. So if you are thinking or it's taking too long for your dreams to come true, do not quit. Do not quit, Geminis. You're very close to achieving success. And marriage, yes, for some of you, this is a month you may decide to marry. You may decide to, marriage is very important. It's on your mind. Family is very important. Religion, culture, traditions, praise, getting a leadership position, a promotion, all these things are very important. I also feel some of you are worried about the health of your family members, especially if you have elderly parents. So you nothing like I see nothing happening to them, but I see like you are worried about their health, like what will happen to their health. Like maybe the world situation is like everybody's health. We are all thinking about health every day nowadays. That is what it happens, friends. Everybody asks me why is this happening, all this world situation. Friends, we all have a habit of always neglecting our health. It is the last thing we ever think about until we grow old and we start to ache and all. That is the time we would think of our health. But I think health is something we must think about, or we must be conscious about it every time. And I think this is the world situation has forced us to do, like think and keep our health, our physical, mental, emotional well-being the topmost and first, to keep it first, not the last something in like, oh, we're gonna think about it when we are old. No, that's not how do we do it, right? And I'm sorry we went off the track. I guess that is how 2020 will be for me. Talking a lot. So you guys, oh my god, I think I got the Gemini energy. You guys gonna talk a lot in the month of January. Oh yeah, I see you guys like to talk, huh, Geminis? Let's see your love life now. Let's see. Ooh, King of Pentacles. Whoa, choices in love, Geminis. That's interesting. 3 choices in love. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's see, Geminis. So you're very, Some of you could actually be joining some college or universities for job, or you're going back to colleges, getting a degree or something. So good things are happening. I wanted to add that in the theme of the month. Let's see the love life. Oh my god, the first week is crackling for you, Geminis. You have some choices in love. If you are single, a lot of people are coming for you, or a lot of people are important for you in the first week of January. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I also feel if you feel confused about a lover or a situation in your love life, Geminis, listen to your intuition. Your intuition knows what is the answer, what you need to do in that situation. You could be dealing with a third party in the first week of January, but if you listen to your intuition, you will figure out the ways. I also see anyone that you are dealing with is a soulmate for you in the first week. They are your soulmate and they possibly have a past life connection with you. I also feel in the first week of January, you may actually decide to leave somebody, or somebody you left in the past, like an ex lover, an ex husband of wife, they are coming back. So, people from the past as well as new people are important in the first week. Let's see the second week. Wow, the second week is really, really good for you, Geminis. You have decisions about marriage, commitment, settling in, moving out with a person. I do see commitment is very important. Twin flame relationships are again important. Some of you will have to decide whether to say yes to this person, say no to this person. There are confusions and issues and talks regarding marriage and decisions regarding commitment in the second week. And yes, there is a chance of your wishes coming true in the second week of January. Your wishes are definitely going to come true. Geminis and the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, I do feel a new start, a new way of life, a new beginning, a new cycle of love is starting for you, Geminis, in the second week. Let's see the third week. I feel you will talk a lot, friends, in January because my throat has already started to ache. So you will talk so much in January or full super high. So let's see. Yeah, again, wow. In the third week, Knight of Rods, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I also feel the third week of January, you will have to decide between your head and heart. You have to decide which to follow, your heart, your mind. I also feel your lover might also have to choose between their heart or mind. Their heart is saying one thing, their mind is saying one thing, like tradition is there, family is there, which one to listen, our heart or our family. So those choices will happen, but I see you and your partner will be successful in choosing each other and being in love together. I also feel if you are in long distance, this is the time to meet your partner. The third week is the time when you travel, meet your person, and there is more love in the third week and passions are really high. Let's see the final week of January for Geminis. Wow, your person is definitely feeling very strongly about you in the last week. They will be very powerful also. They definitely will be taking more time to spend with you, meeting you. You could also be traveling with a family member, a lover in the final week of January. I do see your person has been quiet since a very, very long time. So you were like, when is this person going to speak up? Yes, finally, in the fourth week, they will say everything that's on their heart. And this will make your relationships go places. My throat, oh my god. Yes, you're gonna talk a lot, Geminis. Let me know how your throat did throughout January because you guys are very talkative in January. I see. You will be traveling also in the final week, and yes, you will be very, very busy with family, with occasions, with lot of things will be happening, keeping you on your toes. Lots of travel with family, meeting it also. So let's take some advice for our beautiful Geminis, their love life, and then we're gonna see your work and career. Victory and success. Four of Wands, firm crown chakra, firm foundations. Wow, I do see this is the month of success coming into your love life. So you want success, you want victory, you also want messages, news, information is coming. I also feel that one thing you need to keep in mind, uh, you know You will have choices in love, but you must choose a person who can give you long term commitment or something like that, where there is stability and security, there is care and love for each other. So all these things will be important because you do have choices in love. I also feel you will have a problem in choosing family or love, family or love, or family, like tradition or your, innovation. It's like, should you follow your heart or what the tradition says? So there is this choice. There is this choice. Crown chakra, you will know your intuition is guiding you. You will have a lot of divine signs also, Gemini. So follow that. Trust in the signs coming for you. Do not doubt. Work life for Geminis in January. Okay, yes, friends. I do see this is a very powerful month for you, Geminis, for your work and career. I do see you will be workaholics. You will be working a lot alone this month. Some of you could be students. You could be preparing for exams. And yes, I see you working very, very hard and giving your best or more than your best. And yes, I see you winning. I see victory and success in your efforts, whatever efforts you are making, whether as a student or as a career person, you will be successful. I also feel some of you will be working more alone this month because like you are a student, you are working alone, you are studying alone, but making good progress. Even at work you may like to work alone, or you may prefer, or by chance also you may be working alone on projects because like some of you could be working from home again, so you may feel a little lonely, a little FOMO, like you're missing out people and fun. So some of you could be feeling that also in the month of January, like working from home and you are like, oh, I miss my office and all those kind of things. Yes, recognition and rewards are coming for you, friends. This is a month of success. This is a month where you will get a lot of praise from authority, your bosses. Some of you could be getting an award and recognition. Some of you could be clearing an exams. But one thing you need to keep in mind, Geminis. And the thing is to listen to your intuition. Your intuition is very sharp, Geminis. You must listen to it this month, and it will really help you to overcome any problems you face. I also feel you may have acidity or burnout or ulcers because of extra work hours, or like you are just constantly working, not going out for walks or something. So it may lead to acidity, ulcers, anxiety, stress issues, hypertension. So please listen to your intuition, it will help you. And this is what your work will do because you are a workaholic. Advice: courage and bravery. Yes, stay brave, you are very powerful. Oh my god. Oh my god. So here it is. Angel protection. You are definitely very protected, friends. You don't need to worry about, what will people say, what will happen if you go after and take charge of your dreams and ambitions. What will happen? You have a lot of angel protection, Geminis. You are very, very protected. You don't need to worry, and you need to follow your heart and be brave about it. Ease and grace. Yes, love will come easy for you. Everything that you need will come easily towards you, Geminis. You are super, super powerful, and you are the destiny. You are the law this month. Like anything you say is become a decree, become a law. You are like this. You are very powerful. You are very powerful, Geminis. I don't know if you don't even realize how much powerful you are. You must be laughing at this reading right now. Like why she's saying I'm so powerful. Come back and watch it again. You will know what I mean by this, that you are powerful. Whether someone you know is undependable and insincere, yeah, I do feel like you will not want to depend on a lot of people. Your tendency will be to work alone this month, and it would be good, but also too much of it is bad. Goldfish, increase in material wealth or spiritual growth. Yes, money is coming. Boot, increase your efforts if you want to achieve. I think you will be a perfectionist, always doing too much this month. Angel, spiritual guidance and protection from the wow, angel protection, angel. Very protected Geminis. April is important. Crown, yes, I see some sort of an award coming for you, some sort of a reward coming for you, success. Obstacles to overcome. I see some of you could actually be going for a holiday in the hills or traveling or meeting or dating somebody from the hilly areas. Something important, such as a new job or a raise, is coming for you. Flowers, yes, happiness is coming for you. Bread, prosperity and abundance is coming. Money is coming. Bow, you are highly thought of. Yes, you are really, really, respected. People really love you in this month and respect you. Candle, you'll be shown the way. You are being guided, friends. It's a very powerful month. Happy January. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram. This is Miss Trixie, and I'm saying bye bye for now.